Now coming to array of pointers. Array of pointers, because we can have array of integers, array of floats. That means in an array you are putting, or you can place integer value, you can place float value. But the question arises here, can you put a pointer or an address here? Yes, it can be done. The array can contain pointers by itself. This is simple example. We have defined an array of integer pointers. This is an array of integer pointers. So now this array will contain only the addresses, not the values. These are 4 values. For array AR 0, because this can only contain the address, we'll take the address of I, that is doing ampersand I, and we assign it to 0. 5, 19 and 71. So all these values, all these addresses will come inside this, and we'll just print it. If you want to print the addresses, print %u, otherwise say star value at these addresses, all the values will be shown. So this is how it goes, because we are dealing with these values. They have their own address, and these addresses are being placed inside this array. See, this one, these are placed. So when you print the value at this address, 31, 5, 19 and 71 will be printed, and this is essentially the array which is containing the addresses. And you can, the array of pointers can even contain the address of other arrays. Again, array of pointers can contain the address of other arrays. See, this is an array. Then you are putting in this is array of pointer, you are putting the address of other arrays like this. So this is simple array static, and you have placed A. You know this is the address because the name of the array is always the address of the first value. So A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3, A plus 4, you have specifically placed in this array of pointers the address of these values. So when you print it, you will get the proper value.